So guys, here it is. The head is completely, the holes are completely filled with that product, the Neural 21. And on the side here, it was the worst. All these black spots that it has. It was some holes that the head had. Now it's all filled up with that Neural stuff. It's very good. I passed with my rule, and it has no holes whatsoever. It has no pitting, no nothing. It's really very good. I'm happy with this. Also, on the block here, I pull up the gasket, the head gasket. It has not been crushed yet, so don't worry. In here, and on this junction, in this one, I already degreased all this, and I will add a little bit, just a smidge of silicone here, here, and here, just to avoid oil leaks. So here it is. I am very excited to put my head on for the last time. And I have to be very careful with these O-rings here. They have to be absolutely on the right spot, there and there, here and here, so you don't have any water leaks. Those are water channels. I think it's water. Anyway, I think this is oil channels, and I think these 6 ones are oil, water. I'm sorry. Now, before you get too much carried away, we have to make sure this screw here upside down, and there is another one here upside down. I have to put this screw before I tighten my head to make sure the screw screws in, and then I can actually put my exhaust manifold. On the intake manifold, I'm still waiting for my gasket. I don't have a gasket yet for this intake. Let's wait, see and wait.